Hey there! Quick question. Have you ever felt that a single math problem could freeze you in your tracks? Or wondered why, despite all the effort, math sometimes just doesn't click? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're delving deep into why your math is so weak, not to point fingers, but to uncover the real reasons behind our struggles and, more importantly, how to overcome them. Ready to transform every I can't do this moment into an I finally get it? Let's jump in. Let's be honest, many of us have had our fair share of math anxiety. Remember those days in school when just looking at a math problem felt like staring at a mountain? That anxiety isn't your fault. It's something many of us battle. Sometimes, it's not even about being not smart enough. It's about the way math was taught or how our early experiences shaped our confidence. One big reason behind all this? Weak foundations. When the basics slip through the cracks, every new topic seems to pile on the confusion. Imagine trying to build a house on a shaky foundation. Eventually, the whole structure starts to fall apart. And then there's the one-size-fits-all teaching style that just doesn't work for everyone. Some of us need to see math come alive with stories, visuals, or even real-life applications. It's not that math itself is difficult, it's often the way it was introduced that can leave us feeling lost. Lastly, think about the mindset you carry. Do you believe that you're just not a math person? That belief alone can become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Today, I'm here to challenge that notion by showing you that math is not a fixed ability. It's a skill you can build over time with practice and the right approach. Math isn't confined to textbooks. It's everywhere. Whether you're budgeting your monthly expenses, cooking and measuring ingredients, or planning your next trip, math plays a hidden yet crucial role. But here's a fascinating twist. Sometimes we miss the greater picture. Instead of truly understanding the why behind formulas, we end up memorizing steps. And every time we encounter a slightly different problem, it throws us off completely. Let's try a quick mini challenge. No pressure, just some fun. I'm going to give you a question. Here's a simple problem. How many times can you minus 5 from 25? Got your answer? Alright, let's see the answer. Hope you got one. See? Even simple problems can get complicated if we don't understand the foundational concepts. Now that we've uncovered what might be holding us back, let me ask, have you ever experienced that moment when a tiny change in the way you learn suddenly makes everything click? What if your next breakthrough in math was just a fresh strategy away? Let's explore some powerful approaches that can turn frustration into fascination. Remember those early days when you first learned how to divide a pizza into equal slices? That same clear visual, that's the essence of a strong foundation. If you review basic concepts using real-world objects, you start to see numbers as more than abstract symbols. For instance, take fractions. Instead of only reading about them, use a pie chart or even an actual pizza to demonstrate how 1/2 or January 4th works. Ever wondered why some people seem to improve rapidly at math? It's because they believe every setback is a setup for a comeback. A growth mindset means viewing every mistake as part of the learning process. Think of a renowned mathematician, say Ramanujan, who faced countless challenges early in life. Instead of seeing these obstacles as failures, he saw them as stepping stones to greater insights. Likewise, every time you tackle a problem, even if you stumble, you're paving the way for greater mastery. By mixing these strategies, you're not just memorizing formulas or crunching numbers, you're reshaping your entire perspective on learning math. Let me get personal for a moment. I remember sitting in class, staring at a problem that looked like a jumbled mess of numbers and symbols, feeling completely defeated. For the longest time, math felt like an insurmountable beast. But then I discovered something incredible. Every great mathematician started with countless mistakes and moments of doubt. It wasn't about being a genius from the start. It was about taking that first, sometimes shaky, step into understanding. Now here's one final challenge just for you. Think of that one math problem or concept that has always seemed impossible. A tricky equation, a stubborn graph, or even an abstract puzzle. Write it down or sketch it out. Then break it into smaller parts and see if you can find a new way to tackle it. By deconstructing the challenge, you're not just solving a problem, you're turning a fear into your next victory. And I'd love to hear your journey. Share your toughest math challenge in the comments below along with any breakthroughs you've experienced. Your story might not only inspire someone else but could spark the subject for my next video. Remember, mastery isn't about being perfect. It's about consistently moving forward, one small win at a time. Your math journey is entirely unique, and every obstacle is an opportunity to learn and grow. If you enjoyed this video and found these strategies helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share your thoughts or challenges in the comments below.